Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Sumayya Shabbir and I am from Pakistan, Lahore. I have recently appeared in August diet for MRCP 1 and passed it, alhamdulillah. So let me tell you, I have prepared only past medicine, and after first read, I bought a course of Dr. Ahad. So after one read, I took his course and started reading those Pearl notes and Madbox, and then I realized I should have taken that course in the start of my preparation. So it was very helpful, particularly Pearl notes and Madbox, and I bought the past papers too, and I read all Pearl notes and Madbox in whole last 1 month. Total I prepared for 3 months. Actually, I am done with Fcps medicine. Will recommend Dr. Ahad notes, particularly Pearl notes and Madbox series. Past papers are very good if you go through all of them, because exam is tough. His course made it easier whatever I performed during exam. Pearl notes and Madbox helped me a lot. So I would highly endorse and recommend his course for all candidates who are planning to appear in a future diet. Go through Pearl notes and Madbox and practice more and more MCQs.